Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by creating matching slicers on both pages. Use the identical field so selections map correctly. Once done, open View and enable the Sync Slicers pane to see slicer instances together. Next, click the slicer on page to expose its sync options. Make sure the field comes from the same table and has the same formatting, because mismatched types stop synchronization. This first step puts the controls in place for explicit sync configuration across pages. Now configure synchronization. With the Sync Slicers pane open, check the box for the target page to link the slicer. You can choose whether the slicer is visible on each page or hidden while still synced. Set visibility to keep layouts clean. Also decide if you want the current selection to apply immediately or preserve per page selections. Use the sync pane toggles accordingly. Make sure the slicer interactions with visuals are correct by testing a selection and observing visuals on both pages update together. Finish by thoroughly testing. Pick values in the slicer on page and confirm page B reflects the same filter immediately. Once confirmed, save and publish to the Power BI service, then retest in the service because some behaviors differ online. If synchronization fails, check the model. Ensure both slicers use the exact same field, identical data types, and no conflicting report-level filters. One key troubleshooting tip: mismatched field names or relationships usually block sync, so fix the data model first.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.